Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another exciting word. Our word for today is destroy. So, what does destroy mean? Well, destroy means to ruin or break something completely so that it can't be used or exist anymore. Think of a building collapsing, a sandcastle washed away by the tide, or a rumor ruining someone's reputation. These are all examples of things being destroyed. It's a pretty strong word, indicating total damage or devastation. Now, let's look at some synonyms for destroy. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. One synonym for destroy is demolish. For example, the construction crew will demolish the old building next week. Another synonym is ruin. We can say, the heavy rain ruined our picnic plans. A third synonym is annihilate, which is a more intense version of destroy, suggesting complete obliteration. The army annihilated the enemy forces. Another good synonym is wreck. We could say, the storm wrecked the coastline. Finally, let's consider devastate. The earthquake devastated the city. Notice how each of these words, demolish, ruin, annihilate, wreck, and devastate, all convey a sense of something being completely broken or damaged, just like destroy. Now, let's move on to antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. What words mean the opposite of destroy? One antonym is create. While destroy means to break, create means to bring something into existence. For example, the artist will create a beautiful sculpture. Another antonym is build. They will build a new bridge across the river. A third antonym is repair. This means to fix something that is damaged, the opposite of breaking it completely. The mechanic will repair the car. We can also use the word construct as an antonym. The engineers will construct a new skyscraper. Finally, let's consider preserve. The museum works to preserve historical artifacts. See how each of these words, create, build, repair, construct, and preserve, all represent the opposite of ruining or breaking something. They represent making or keeping something intact. Now, let's talk about how we use destroy in everyday life. You might hear someone say, the fire destroyed their home, which is a very unfortunate situation. You might also hear, don't let your anger destroy your relationships, a piece of advice about managing emotions. Another common expression is, the bad weather destroyed the crops, referring to the impact of weather on farming. You can even use it figuratively, like he destroyed his opponent in the debate, meaning he won decisively. Now, let's look at some more examples of destroy in sentences and phrases. The flood destroyed many homes in the area. The virus can destroy important files on your computer. We must not destroy the environment for future generations. His careless actions could destroy everything we've worked for. The bomb destroyed the building completely. The rumor destroyed her reputation. The team destroyed their opponents in the final game. The insects destroyed the crops. The waves destroyed the sandcastle. He didn't want to destroy her dreams. These examples show how destroy is used in various contexts, from physical destruction to the destruction of abstract things like reputations or dreams. Remember, destroy implies a complete or near-complete ruining of something. To recap, destroy means to ruin or break something completely. We learned synonyms like demolish, ruin, annihilate, wreck, and devastate. We also learned antonyms like create, build, repair, construct, and preserve. We explored how destroy is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. I hope this episode has helped you understand the word destroy better. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word today. I truly appreciate your time and dedication to improving your English vocabulary. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show, so they can learn and grow too. And for today's challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word destroy and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode of Hello Word. Have a great day.